People can be really smart, but if they don't really believe in it, then they are not going to work really hard, says our Facebook personality. In fact, it is very, very true. When you believe in yourself, everything is possible. So always believe in yourself. In each mango seed, there is a potential mango tree. In the same way, in each coconut seed, there is a potential coconut tree. In the same way, in each and every one of you, there is a potential IAS, IPS, doctor, dancer, writer, speaker, player, singer, photographer, architect, and above all, a loving and serving human being. So think not that you are a small being or ordinary person. You are created for a greater purpose and goal. Believe in yourself that you can do it and become what you want to become. In fact, life and success belong to only those who believe in themselves that they can achieve what they aspire to achieve. There are many great personalities of people who believe in themselves, but to note a few, we have these great people. Sachin Tendulkar, when he started playing international cricket, many doubted his skills. And moreover, he was a boy who failed 10th board exam and started playing international cricket. He received many criticisms from left and right, but he went on practicing, and finally, you and I know that today he is considered as god of cricket. Next, we have Thomas Alva Edison, a man who was more and more doubted by others. He failed not once or twice, but number of times, not 100 or 200, almost 1000 times. But when he invented the bulb, everything was silenced. All his critics were silenced. Next, we have Nelson Mandela, a man who fought against racism. And you know, he was imprisoned for almost 27 years, but nothing could stop him. And finally, he went on to become the first black president of South Africa. Finally, we have Mother Teresa, a lady with love. When people were dying on the streets of Kolkata, especially the dying children, the orphan, she went to them like a mother and started serving them with love and smile. And today she is known as the Saint of Gutters. One of the beautiful common things among all these poor people is believing in oneself. Sachin believed that he could become a great cricketer, so he became. Edison believed that he could become what he wanted to become, and today he is a famous scientist. Nelson believed that he could fight against racism. In fact, he did it. And Mother Teresa believed that if nobody serves them, she can become a loving mother to them. And that's why she is known as the mother of the poor too. People will doubt you. People will mock you. People will insult you. People will break you. But be strong and believe in yourself that you can turn sad stories into successful stories. Don't let anyone ever make you feel like you don't deserve what you want. Always believe in yourself, even in the darkest moments. So get up every morning and remind yourself that I can do this. To strengthen your belief system, say these 5 things to yourself daily. Today will be my day. I am the best me there is. I know that I am a winner. I can do it. I know I can. God will always be with me. Be positive and believe in yourself.